We're super excited here at McCormack's 4-Wheel Drive to introduce to you the new Expedition Cargo Recovery Box and Solar Box. All the McCormack's 4-Wheel Drive Expedition boxes are finished off in a tactical matte black finish inspired by the military, and they're all UV stabilised for the harsh Australian outback. Starting off with the Expedition 85 litre recovery box. The reason it's got the name of a recovery box is because we've allowed to be able to put either 2 or 4 recovery treads on top, either max tracks or treads. We utilise both the max tracks and the treads traditional mounting technique and pins, so they are authentic from max tracks or tread that we utilise for these boxes. The boxes are manufactured from a really high quality food grade plastic, so that means that all your food and everything will be safe inside. Coming to the front of the box, we've got 3 heavy duty powder coat black latches. These latches are all lockable, so you can keep all your stuff secure and safe while you are out travelling around Australia. When we open the box, to support the lid with the extra weight, you'll find that we've got 2 heavy duty gas struts at each end. Each gas strut at each mounting point has stainless steel fixings for maximum strength to support the gas struts and ensure that you get longevity from your boxes while in use. You'll see in each box that we've got a heavy duty thick rubber seal that goes in the top lid here, which will then compress back down on this lipped edge here from the plastic box. That'll mean that your box is completely waterproof and dustproof when you are using it out in the Australian elements or anywhere else around the world. The Expedition Solar Box features a 70-watt solar panel on the top. This is a super slim, low profile solar panel with a blacked out frame and a blacked out panel on the top, so it ties in really nicely with our design of the box. This box is exactly the same as the Expedition Recovery Box. The only difference is it's got a permanently mounted fixtured solar panel. The solar panel is designed with an Anderson plug, heavy duty Anderson plug, for easy removal when it's on the roof of your vehicle. The reason we've come up with this option of putting the solar panel on the box is because we're trying to maximise the roof space and storage that you've got in the vehicle. As standard with all the Expedition boxes, you get 3 mounting points, 1 in the middle and 1 at each end. They're all finished in a nice black powder coat steel finish for maximum strength and durability. They all come with a little loophole here so you can put a padlock at each point. This stops people from getting into your box while it's stored on your vehicle or at your campsite and keeping your valuables safe. Each Expedition box will come with 2 mounting plates. These mounting plates are designed to fasten to your Rhino platform or your Yakima platform. They're all finished off in a black powder coat stainless steel finish. At each end you'll see there's 2 little elbows here. They're secured with little plastic liners on the inside. Underneath, nice little recessed screws. They'll hold them into place. What'll happen is when that goes on your roof at each end of your vehicle, that'll sit in place. Your box will then sit into that point. And this little latch here is what locks your box onto your roof. So you pull that little safety latch there, that will allow that to release and pull your pin out. When your box is in position and sitting on the top here, that little piece there will then latch up onto the side of the box like I showed you earlier. And then what you can do is pull that down into place, hold that little latch, push that down, that locks in. When that latch is down properly, you can't release that. It's a little safety feature that we put into place. Again, with these, to stop people from being able to take the box from the roof of your vehicle, we've got these little eyelets here that you can put your padlock to, because you can't always trust whoever's around you. We're so confident here at McCormack's 4-Wheel Drive in the quality of our Expedition boxes that we're offering a lifetime guarantee on the entire Expedition box range. That doesn't matter if you have the Expedition Recovery Box or the Expedition Solar Box. Grab yours today on mccormacksfourwheeldrive.com.au. That's mccormacks4wd.com.au or 07 3269 3294.